Hey guys, this is Sidney from Zen's, and today I'm going to show you how to make our yerba mate lemonade. You're going to need a bag of Zen's Tea's yerba mate and a steeper of your choice. I'm using my eco vessel. Grab a measuring spoon, 2 cups of ice, one for you and one for your friend, and some lemonade. To brew your tea, you're going to brew a hot cup of water. I already have some in my thermos. Then take 1 teaspoon of yerba mate for an 8-ounce cup and pour it into your steeper of choice. I'm using 3 teaspoons for a 24-ounce since I'm using an eco vessel. I'm just going to pop my strainer right in. You're going to want to steep your tea for at least 6 minutes. Now let's move on to our lemonade. You can either use freshly squeezed lemonade or store-bought. Now for the exciting part. You're going to pour about 60% of your yerba mate in a cup and about 40% of your lemonade. And you can always leave a little extra room for ice. And there you guys have it. That's how you can make our yerba mate lemonade. You can purchase our yerba mate from our tea house in Norwalk or online. And you can save 5% on your online orders by using promo codes SydneyZen and StephZen. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later.